Silk City just closed down. There's the wagon camp. I bought a Slurpee pass, but that looks crazy. Minerals and fossil shop. Tomorrow is the first day of Ghost Town Alive and summertime at Knott's Berry Farm. Okay, this is the chocolate cake from the Knott's Berry Farm Bakery right in front of Ghost Rider. It's super chocolate, let's see. I like when cake is cold. I think it's good. This is the boysenberry cheesecake from the same bakery. I'm not sure if this was featured during Boysenberry Festival, but it's good. Gold Trails Hotel Mercantile. That's cool. It's like Papa. Sutters. How are they?
It's okay.
Oh shoot, you gotta try it, babe. Okay, here's my bite. Here's my chicken strip. Oh, it's good. I like it, Dad. Juicy chicken. Crispy breading. We got some fries too. Oh yeah. All meal plan, baby. All meal plan. I need a backpack.
Okay, Mom, let's go.
Look at Snoopy. People are excited. Look at this is cute. The bigger version. The biggest version. I need a purse. I don't feel right walking around with the Disneyland purse. Oh shoot! I'd like to point out this bag, as nice as it is $94.
It's a bag, Mom.
Oh my god. Hi, I can help you.
This is Line Stand Pouch. Remember, stay in your seat for the whole trip and keep your arms, legs, and blankets inside the cars at all times.
Oh shoot. Destiny.
Unfortunately, there's only one contestant here. As a part of the jamboree, there's a cabin decorating contest. helping someone in need.
Boysenberry.
Hi, I don't need any help. I'm fine. Nothing to see here. Get me out of here, you.
Oh, there's the jamboree. Oh, those are so cute.
Looks like Eagle Scout Master Snoopy and his troop are working to earn the gardening badge. Hey, maybe they could make them into jams and jellies and sell them at their very own roadside stand. And then they could build their own
Welcome back here for sure, right on Big Way Express. Coming to an end. Please remember.
This is Fiesta Village. I don't think Montezuma's even functioning, right? Gracias por visitar Fiesta Village. This completes our Knott strip. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.